Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the one, the only Meta. We are going to be talking about why we bought Meta stock, my strategy, my approach behind it. So I hope you guys all enjoy this. And guys, we have very exciting news for everybody that is learning how to invest into the stock market. We just made a cheap course, pretty much breaking down how to find undervalued stocks, my approach with investing, everything you guys need to get started with investing. It's super cheap. Check it out down below. And guys, the great thing about this course that we made, we're only gonna add to it. We're gonna add more videos. We're gonna have live streams, a group chat, all that stuff's already in there. So check that out, guys. But let's jump into this here. When it comes with Meta and investing, you know, my approach with Meta I'm always bullish on it. I've always been. It's had this nice upward trend. And honestly, we called this stock out under $100 back in the day. For all the OGs to the channel, you remember when we loaded up on this thing a long time ago. But more importantly, we actually just bought more recently. Now, this is more of a trade situation, but I do want to break down my approach behind it. So looking at Meta here, I do want to actually change the time frame and go to the hourly chart here, because the hourly does show it a little clearer here. So in general, you guys can see that Meta lately hasn't been doing well. It's been on this general downward trend and really hasn't been doing much. Now, Meta released an earnings report, as you guys can see, and they brought in about $39 billion, which actually caused the stock to go up quite a lot in a single day. So after hours, this thing squeezed up a whopping 10% plus. So honestly, it's probably about 12% by the time we draw it out. Yeah, 11.7. So then the stock market started to get annihilated. It started getting absolutely crushed, and you guys can see it just started stair-stepping its way down. But looking at this chart here, what do you guys notice about this 452 area? You will notice there is heavy support. So support is where we just get a lot of good tendencies of getting buying pressure, and I'll show you guys it. So you guys can see buying pressure here, buying pressure here. So now as the stock sold off here all the way back down to old support, we bought more. We bought as much as we could. And obviously following any time, you know, with just general investing, you always hear the expression of buy low, sell high. So for me, with Meta stock selling off, this is buying low. And obviously, you know, you have to look at sell-off as opportunity. You can't look at sell-off as fear, especially because with Meta releasing an earnings report, you know, a day prior or 2 days prior, and the stock went bananas, beating expectations, revenue, good future guidance, invested into AI. You know that it's just a matter of time before this thing recovers. So that's exactly what happened, is the stock recovered, and that was the technical analysis behind the trade. Another reason why I was very bullish for this stock is the average analyst price target is $580. So entering here at about $450, the average analyst is giving a return right now with Meta of, let's go ahead and draw it out. Well, I gotta make it a little better. All right, there we go. Is giving an average return of 30%. So that's why we bought more. And the lowest analyst is giving a return of 475, which is a return of 7%. So guys, with investing, with trading, you know, in general, it's these base hits. It's those 1, 2, 3% returns compounded. And when something like this sells off in a company you understand and you believe in, it represents a great opportunity to start that process of investing. Another reason is looking at the fundamentals. The EPS is up, the revenue is up, the cash flow is up. So for me, this just represented a total for sale sign. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. We do have 2 courses now. for those of you that are getting started, we have a very, very beginner friendly investing course, and then we have a trading course. So check out both of those, and we'll see you guys in there. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you guys in there. Have a good one.